Okay, I'm sorry. There was a sneeze. I'm at the house right now. They don't know I'm here. Ouch. I gotta be very, 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 very quiet. They did not know that I'm here. So we're gonna do this. Third vlog of the day. I'm done for the day. Okay, let's go. Here guys, let's do this. Just knocked. Did? Hi.
Hi. We're just eating dinner.
Oh,
We just have family over for dinner.
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
See ya. They were having dinner. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no, should I grab Nick? See if he wants to go trail biking. Let's do that. Let's do trail biking. Why am I shutting this? Okay, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get there, and peace. Peace.